Hello, this is Pamshairexpo. I'm getting ready to show you the sock method. Now, what I can tell you is this will be my fourth time doing this right here. And with it being my fourth time doing it, I noticed that on my synthetic hair mannequin, it did not form a pattern. It did not curl. It didn't wave. It didn't do anything. On my synthetic wig, it was the exact same. Now on my real wig that I had, it actually curled it, gorgeous, beautiful. And so I decided to switch over to my mannequin head that has, this is the real hair. This is the 100% human hair mannequin head. Okay, now when you do the sock method, a lot of people, they're doing theirs without putting the foam on it. You can use foam and mousse. I would suggest to use the foam and mousse in order to set the pattern in the hair, in order to set the wave pattern that you want in the hair. So like you saw me put the foam on here. So I put the foam on, comb it through. Okay, I'm going to get my sock, and what you do is you put the toe end of the sock at the top. Okay, put the toe end of the sock at the top. What you're gonna do is get a clip. You're gonna get a clip and you're gonna hold it down with the clip. That's gonna help to, keep it from going all over the place as you're twisting it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get half of the hair and we're gonna twist it around the sock at the top. Then we're gonna get the other half of the hair and we're going to twist it around the sock. Now we want to make sure we do us a nice tight twist on the hair. Like I said, as you can see, it's moving around, but we want to get a nice tight twist on the hair. The smaller the sock, the smaller the curl will be. The bigger the sock, the bigger the curl pattern will be. I'm pretty confident that this right here will work on, since this is a human hair mannequin. But what we're gonna do is you're gonna hold it twisted to the end of the hair, and then you're gonna go up under the bottom, open up the sock, go up under here. The part that you're holding, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch that, and you're going to take your clip off, and you're going to pull the sock up, and you're going to let it go. You pull the sock up, you let it go. Now, if you wanted to just hold at the base, you can just go ahead and put that here, hold it at the base. If not, you really don't have to, because it's going to hold on its own. When you get through, I'm going to do 5, but when I get through, I'm going to put a bonnet over the top, or you can just let it air dry exactly like it is. Now, if you're doing it to your hair, put a bonnet over the top so that it'll hold it in place at night. So you don't, wake up and the socks are off your head and all that or whatever. So, put a bonnet on your head, please, so it'll hold everything in place. So what I'm going to do is just show you one more, and then when tomorrow comes, I'm going to take it off and just show you the end effects. So like I said, I'm going to do one more, so you can just go ahead and get the hang of it. Because I don't want the video to really be too long. You don't need to see all 5. 2 should be good enough. We don't want it moving too much. There we go. Okay. Like I said, you just twist it until you get to the end. Hold the end part. Open up your sock at the bottom. Put your hand in. You're going to go to that top part that we're holding. Pinch that. We're going to pull it up. Take our little clips off. And we're going to pull it up. And like I said, voila. It should hold. Like I said, and if not, just put the clips on it. But like I said, you don't have to. Like I said, you can take it off with a hold. But like I said, at night, put your bonnet on your head so it'll hold it in place. But that was the sock method. Like I said, I will be with you guys in the morning, just to show you what it turned out, what it looked like. And I am very excited about this. So, hello, this is Pamshairexpo. This is the next day for the sock curls. I let it sit overnight, and let's pull them out. See the results. Now we're cooking with butter. Okay, so I do see now that it works better on. It works better on human hair. It works better on hair that's human, because the synthetic hair, no, it didn't do well at all. Yeah, okay. All right. We liking this. We liking this. All right now. Okay. Got us a nice little wave pattern going on here. Some nice curls. All right. Okay, yes. I am definitely digging this. Okay. Yes, guys, this is a win-win right here. I really do like this. This is nice. I like this. This is the sock curl, the sock method. So I like it. Like I said, the bigger the sock, the bigger the curl pattern, the wave curl pattern. The smaller the sock, the smaller the pattern. At the top, I did put a smaller sock at the top. But I am, like I said, definitely digging this. This is gorgeous. I am loving it. This is very nice. So if you have human hair or human hair wig, I think it'll be gorgeous for the human hair or the human hair wig. So yes, but thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. I love you guys, and peace.